In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Facebook in just a few easy steps. This process will help you seamlessly integrate your scheduling and marketing efforts, saving you both time and effort. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to calendly.com. It's always a good idea to start at the login page, so go ahead and click on the login button. Once there, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Calendly account and then hit continue. This step ensures that you can access your account settings and manage integrations smoothly. Now that you've entered your email, it's time to input your password. After entering your password, click continue once again. If you have any trouble remembering this information, remember that there's always an option to reset your password or retrieve your username. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. From the homepage, look for the Integrations and Apps section. This is a crucial part as it is where you'll set up the connection between Calendly and Facebook. Click on it and you'll see various integration options that Calendly offers. What you're looking for here is Metapixel, so go ahead and click on that. Clicking on Metapixel will take you to the Setup page. Here you'll want to click on Go to Setup to proceed. This is the point where you'll link your Facebook account with Calendly using the Metapixel ID. Now, to get the Metapixel ID, you'll need to delve into your Facebook business account. If you haven't set this up yet, you might want to take a moment to do so. The ID is a unique number that tracks and gathers data from your Facebook account, which can significantly enhance your marketing strategies. Once you've located this ID, simply copy it. Return to the Calendly integration page, where you'll find a field labeled for your Metapixel ID. Paste your Metapixel ID into this field. This will connect your Facebook stored data with your Calendly scheduling information, giving you seamless visibility into how your Facebook actions translate to real-world meetings and events via Calendly. Finally, once you've pasted the Metapixel ID, don't forget to click Save. Saving your changes will ensure that your integration is set up correctly and that any future actions, like appointments scheduled through Calendly, will be tracked effectively in Facebook. And that's it. You've now successfully connected Calendly to Facebook, making your life a bit easier by integrating your scheduling with your social media efforts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides and helpful tips.